Okay lang. This one. It's the most important, the fish. Sabi nila fresh. So let's see. Fresh nga kasi malasa. Hindi siya lata.
This one is
And tastes good. Yan tayong clam chowder. Ito yung gagawin natin mamaya sa bahay. So we'll try this. Okay.
hindi nga yan thick.
So this is the way they make it. Consistency, look at that. Medyo runny. But I'm gonna try the clam itself. We'll see. Let's see.
Masarap ang kanilang tartar sauce. I like this.
Chewy yung kanilang clam, pero hindi siya masyado malagkit. And then yung lasa medyo, for me, I need more salt. Mas maraming creamer. But we can deal with it. Alright, yung mga isda nila dito. So smoke, 17.95. Yan yung swordfish salmon, mas mahal-mahal. So look at that. Those are the fish na pagbenta nila. And this one is Mr. Kelly salmon. Wow. So I'm looking for fish na pwede nating lutuin. I decided to make some clam chowder soup on it. So I bought this $26.95. Scallops. Ito, Alaskan halibut. Really new. Alright guys, look at this Alaskan halibut. Very fresh. At saka it's thick. So, and they have a lot of different fish here. Like the salmon, and there's more. So if you guys are able to come to San Diego and you want to come here, this is one of the second rated as the best seafood. This is the Point Loma. Okay, so hopefully you will see it here. Bye for now.